here we are, downtown Seattle at Pike Place Market. We are going to check out a park, and it's a grand opening of the park. So more to come as we go down the hill here. Okay, it is hopping down here. I don't know if it's always this busy downtown, but there's people all over the place. Look at this. Welcome to downtown Seattle Waterfront. Down there, the grand opening of the Waterfront Park. How about that? Pier 62, Waterfront Park. So I guess it's kind of a city park. Not really a state park, but it's a big one. And there's the Great Wheel. We've got the Seahawks Stadium, the Mariner Stadium. Where do we eat? Ryan's Recipes, mushroom Swiss burger, truffle fries, or if you want this, pitas, tacos, gourmet owl sausage dogs. What do we pick? They're making a jellyfish. Is that cool? Pretty cool. It's the back side. Seattle Waterfront. Down there is where a lot of the cruise ships come in. And look at the pretty sky. Okay, Ryan and Corey and Ethan and whoever, this is for you. Chess players, what's the next move? And we're making bracelets over here. And painting and everything. We were at Pier 62. And this is the Seattle Aquarium, part of it. We're gonna go down this way, down to Pier 58, 54. Pioneer Square and the Promenade. Check out the stages. Let's go Brazil! Yeah. This one's for you, Jordan. Way to go, dude. Spider-Man. Ice cream, roasted corn on the cob. Oh my goodness, there's popcorn chicken back there. There's a hula hoop contest. Seattle Children's Museum. We've got a hula hoop over here. And there is the best ride, Wings Over Washington. And there's our stage. They're getting ready for a concert. And look, we've got a new attraction coming soon. Sasquatch Mountain. It's going to be a virtual reality type adventure. Should be interesting. We've got a carousel, shooting gallery. This is for you, Ethan. The arcade, Big Space Invaders, Galaga, Art Walk. 6 to 9 p.m. every first Friday. This is Shovista holding her son, the future Chief Seal. Here's a classic downtown Seattle, the old Curiosity Shop. Anything unique and rare, you'll find it in here. They have Harry Potter wands. And they have Estrella's prophecies. And weird things like a four-legged hen. Probably spend a lot of time in this store. Pier 55. Got some bombers and some breakers. Missing your kid. It's in there somewhere. Alright, there we go. Disco lessons at that walk. Checking out the sights of the night. Look at all the skyscrapers. They're blue and green mostly. The Seahawks. It's a pretty city. So pretty nice for a Waterfront Park celebration. Way to go, Seattle. Look at all that cheese. Grummet.
Such good cheese.